So I just got home from work and my print's already done. So this is currently the trending item on Thingiverse. There you go. So it's like a gyroscopic circle for the middle. Of course, it obviously spells mom. I love the design. This is a one print, so off the printer it moves just like this. So you just print it flat, it pulls up, and then the middle just spins like it's by itself. So I really like this design. I put, I want to say, 4 shells, 20% info, because my mom's very rough on her stuff. So it's currently like 11 o'clock. She's downstairs right now. So I'm going to go give it to her. I just, you know, got home from work and bought the PLA yesterday. So last minute gifts, you got a 3D printer, it works endlessly. It's the best thing you can have. And to all mothers out there, happy Mother's Day.